Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a leveling kit on a 2018 Chevy Silverado 1500. Let's get it back here in the bay and get started. Alright, so what we got here, we have a 1.5 inch extensive leveling kit for two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive Chevrolet pickup truck. So it comes with the bolts. These are aluminum, there's your name, extensive, aluminum spacers. Don't worry, I'm using the wife's hood to lay stuff on, not a customer's. Don't worry about that. And it actually comes with some gloves that actually has their name on it, which is pretty cool. The last time I ordered this kit, I didn't get any gloves. They look like they're just I don't know, rubberized coated cloth gloves. Let me get them out real quick, hold tight. All right, here they are. So they're just like some thin cloth, which is, you know, nice for summertime when it's hot, but they are rubber coated, so they do have a little bit of extra, they will have a little extra grip and protect your hands a little bit, but pretty neat. I didn't get that last time with the kit. There is the part number. Obviously the words are a little messed up there, but you see it. And then we also got some instructions. So that's what it fits. Pretty much everything from 07 to 21 Silverado, GMC, Yukon, Tahoe, Suburban 1500, and the Avalanche from 07 to 13. So anyhow, pretty nice kit. I've used them in the past. I don't care much for the composite, like plastic spacers, because they can actually crack in the center sometimes. And I have had one, it's been probably like 7-8 years ago now, when we first started really get into the squat game, I guess you can call it. They actually ruptured around the bolt hole, but it looked like it was a casting issue. But I've used them once or twice after that, and I didn't like that they one of them cracked in the center, and the other one was fine, but I don't like it. You might as well pay the extra $2 and get the aluminum ones versus the old plastic ones. But anyhow, let's get this thing underway. All right, so what we're going to do here, remove this bolt and this bolt. This is the strut for the front, and the spacer goes between the strut bolt here and the lower control arm. So we're going to take this out, and pop off these retainer clips on top, the little retainer bolt looking things. So let me get to that and we'll show you how to go in. All right, so I forgot to mention the bolts here were a 15mm. Pull those out, then take a flat screwdriver and pop these clips off. You don't need them anymore. It's hard to do with one hand, to be quite honest with you. There we go. All right, pop those off. Move on to the next stage. These guys are talking about eating lunch. Anyway, I'm gonna put this up in here like this. Right here, you're gonna loosen these bolt cover strut. 15mm rapid wrench. Get that done for you. Give you a little slack you need to get that piece on the bottom. Get it all lined up. Alright, so I got both the bolts back in. I got the spacer in, got the washers on, the nuts are on. I'm not going to tighten it down until I have to do the other side. But yeah, that's pretty much the process. The other side the exact same way. So easy peasy. Once it's all back in, don't tighten it up until you get the other side done. After you get both sides done, you can tighten up the strut at the top, tighten both of these up. These are supposed to be at 65 foot-pounds, I believe it's called for. And yeah, you send it off, get on alignment, and be done. So like I said, this is the 1.5 inch extensive. I've used them for quite some time. They're fairly inexpensive and they work great. It comes with all the stuff. The gloves are pretty new, but I like them. They work out good. Good grip. But anyhow, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and if you can comment, put it in the comment section below. All right, see y'all.